Here 4x square plus 3 root 5x minus 10 equals to 0. Okay, how to find the zeros or roots or solutions of this quadratic equation? Okay, here what is given? Polynomial given. Okay, so polynomial function f of x is equals to 4x square plus 3 root 5x minus 10 is equals to 0. This is a given polynomial function. Okay, so now in this by comparing this quadratic equation, I am comparing by comparing with ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. If we compare with this, then what is x square coefficient a? 4. What is x coefficient b? That is 3 root 5. That is 3 root 5. And constant c is equal to minus 10. Okay. After that, what is the formula for finding the zeros or roots of the polynomial? Here, the formula for finding the zeros or roots or solution, x is equals to minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. What is the formula? Can you repeat once again? Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Repeat once again.
Minus b plus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Very good. Minus b plus or minus under root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Repeat once again, ma.
Minus b plus or minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a.
Very good. Okay, minus b. B value is 3 root 5 plus or minus under root of b square, that is 3 root 5 whole square minus 4 into a 4 into c, that is minus 10 divided by 2a. So that is 2 into 4. 2 into 4. Okay. So after that simplification. Okay. So then minus 3 root 5 plus or minus under root of 3 root 5 whole square. This square is applicable for both. Okay, for 3 as well as root 5. So 3 square and root 5 whole square minus 4 times is 16. 16 into 10 is 160, and minus into minus is plus, whole divided by 2 4 times is 8. So we get it as minus 3 root 5 plus or minus under root of square and root gets cancelled here. Okay, 9 5 times. What is 9 into 5?
45.
Yes, 45 and 160 divided by 8. So this is equals to minus 3 root 5 plus or minus 160 plus 45. Okay, how much it is? 205 divided by 8. Divided by 8. Okay, what are the factors for okay, 205? 205. Okay, 205 factors are, okay, so 5 table 5 4 times, 20, 5 1 time. Right? Here minus 3 root 5 plus or minus root of 205 divided by 8. So 205 is 5 into 41 times. 41 is a prime number, so we can't split this. So this is only the zeros of the polynomial or roots of the polynomial or solution for this. Okay, so this is the required solution. Find zeros of the polynomial 3x square minus 2x 2 root 6x plus 2 equals to 0, and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. So what is given polynomial here? What is given polynomial, ma?
3x square minus 2 root 6x.
Yes, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. Okay, so 3x square and into 2. If we multiply, we get 6x square. Okay, so what factors are possible? I want 2 root 6. So if we take root 6 and root 6, by multiplying we are getting 6. Okay, and by adding or subtracting, I want 2 root 6. So root 6 and root 6 is 2 root 6. I want minus root 6, 2 root 6. So for both, keep minus. So that is nothing but we can write it as 3x square minus root 6x minus root 6x. Okay, that is 2 minus 2 root 6x. Okay, plus 2 is equal to 0. Now, here in these two terms, what term we can take common? What we can take common? Okay, here, yes, x is common in this. And
Yes,
even if you want, we can take root 3 also common. Okay, this 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3 x square minus root 6. Root 6 is nothing but root 2 into root 3. Okay, x minus root 6 x. Okay, so this root 6 also I am writing as root 2 into root 3 and x, and this 2 I am writing as root 2 into root 2 or root 2 whole square, same only. Okay, in these two terms, first two terms, what is common? Root 3 is common and x is common. If you take root 3 and x common, what is remaining here? One more root 3 and one more x. Okay, if you remove the one root 3 and 1x, what is remaining here? Okay, only root 2 is remaining. So we write minus root 2. Minus. If we take minus root 2 common now, if we take minus root 2 common, then we get root 3x minus. Okay, so one root 2 is common and minus common. So we get minus and root 2 is equals to 0. Okay, now root 3x minus root 2. If we take this common, then what is remaining here? Root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. These are the two factors here. These two are the factors here. After getting the factors, to find the zeros, equate the first factor to with 0, second factor with 0. Okay, when the product is 0, compulsory, either first factor is 0, second factor is 0. Why we equate these factors to 0? The reason here, okay, 0 into something is 0. Okay, something into 0 is equal to 0, or 0 into 0 is equal to 0. Okay, so only like this only 0 is possible in the multiplication. Otherwise, we never get a 0. The product as 0. Okay, either first factor is 0 or second factor is 0. So we are equating here. So root 3x minus root 2, first factor is equal to 0, or second factor root 3x minus root 2 is equal to 0. That means root 3x is equal to root 2, or root 3x is equal to root 2 here. Okay.
yes.
Now x is equals to, what is x value here? So x is equals to root 3 is dividing here, multiplying here. If you take it that side, divides. Okay, so that is nothing but x is equals to root 2 divided by root 3. In the second case also, x is equal to root 2 divided by root 3 only. Either you can write like this, or you can keep the common root of 2 by 3. X is equals to root of 2 by 3. 2 by 3. Okay. Now, what is relation? How to find the relation here? Okay. So now, alpha, one is alpha and another one is beta. Let I am taking alpha is equals to root of 2 by 3, and beta is also equal to root of 2 by 3. Sum of roots alpha plus beta is equals to root of 2 by 3 plus root of 2 by 3. Okay, that means 2 into root of 2 by 3. 2 times we have, so 2 into root of 2 by 3. Okay, and product of the roots. Okay, that is alpha into beta is the product of the roots. Product of the roots means we multiply here root 2 by 3 into root of 2 by 3. That is root 2 by 3 into root 2 by 3, root of 2 by 3 whole square. So square and root gets cancelled. So we get 2 by 3. We get 2 by 3. This is the product of the roots. Okay. In the same way, okay, so we take the equation, given equation, 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2. What is given equation, ma? 2x square minus 2 root 6x. Correct only?
Plus 2, sir.
Plus 2. This is 3, this is 2, right?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So 3x square minus 2 root 6x plus 2 is equals to 0. By using the concept of sum of roots and product of the roots, when we know the quadratic equation, okay, quadratic polynomial, sum of the roots, so alpha plus beta is equals to minus b by a, that is nothing but minus coefficient of x minus coefficient of x divided by coefficient of x square. Okay, that means we get minus coefficient of x is minus 2 root 6 divided by x square coefficient is 3. X square coefficient is 3. So here root 6 we can minus into minus is plus 2 as it is I am writing. Root 6 we can write it as root 3 into root 2, and this 3 we can write it as root 3 into root 3 into root 2. Okay, 1 root 3 gets cancelled. Right? Sorry. Small change we have. Okay. The denominator. Okay, here we have 3. So 3 is root 3 into root. Three we can write as root 3 into root 3 or root 3 whole square. Square root gets cancelled. Square root gets cancelled. After that, now 1 root 3 gets cancelled. 1 root 3 and 1 more root 3 gets cancelled. So what is remaining here? 2 root 2 root 2 divided by root 3. 2 root 2 divided by root 3, or we can write it as 2 into root of 2 by 3. Is it same like this or not?
Yes, sir. It is same.
Okay, so satisfied. And product of the roots, alpha into beta, product is, okay, my c by a. What is c by a? C by a is nothing but constant divided by coefficient of x square. Coefficient of x square. What is constant? 2. What is coefficient of x square? 3. Okay, are they equal or not? 2 by 3 and 2 by 3 both are equal. What is asking in the question here? So find the zeros of the polynomial. So already we are after, okay, so we are getting the zeros of the polynomial. One is root of 2 by 3, root of 2 by 3. These two are the zeros of the polynomial, and verify the relationship between the zeros and coefficients. Okay, between the zeros and coefficients we are verifying the relation here. Okay, so therefore the relation between the coefficients and zeros verified, or we can write it as satisfied or verified. Okay, are they equal or not?
Yes, sir. They are equal.
Satisfied or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, what formula we used in this? Okay, what concept we used in this? What is very important in this? Okay, once briefly discuss once. Okay, the most important thing is getting the idea. Okay, minus root 6. The first step is very, very important. How we are going to write, okay, in the factorization method. This is very important. After that, okay, even splitting this coefficient also important here, constant term. Okay, after that, okay, so we are getting the zeros here. Okay, so one is x is equals to root of 2 by 3, x is equals to root of 2 by 3. After that, we are adding the two zeros of the polynomial, and here we use the formula minus b by a, or minus x coefficient of x divided by x square, and for finding the product of the roots, constant by coefficient of x square, or c by a. Understood, ma?
Yes, sir.
Do you have a dream of scoring up to 75 by 75 in intermediate maths of Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Do you want the pass guarantee intensive classes or videos? Do you want to learn the mathematics from zero to hero level? Then this is the right place for you. Please like, share, subscribe our Veda online classes.